Hey guys, it's Keana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little fun get ready with me video for school because I just thought it'd be fun to film a little tutorial thing, show you guys my outfit, and yeah, it's very neutral, very simple, but I hope you guys like this video. If you do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But besides that, let's just hop into the video. So most of you guys probably know my foundation routine, but I already have some makeup on from earlier when I went to class. Now I'm going to be priming my eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. This is my favorite primer. And then I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and I'm going to be using this as a base just so that all my eyeshadow will kind of stick to it and be more pigmented. I honestly love looking at my makeup collection and kind of looking at older products that I have kind of forgotten about, but I'm taking my Stila Gold Glow Trio. This is literally so beautiful. I'm taking that shimmery champagne color and applying that to the inner 2/3 of my eyelids. So I'm just packing that on there. It looks super pretty. And then I'm going to be kind of blending a little bit more. And then I'm going to be taking that darker brown color, and this just looks so golden and bronzy, and I think it's really good to apply to the outer half of my eyelid. And I'm just kind of blending that in, kind of creating a gradient and making sure that there is no harsh line. And now I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curler. And then I'm taking my favorite Rimmel Kohl eyeliner and applying this to my tight line. You know what this is. Looks a little creepy. I'm always looking for different ways to use my products, so I'm taking this highlighter that is meant for your face, but I'm just applying this to my eyebrow bones, brow bones, I don't know why I said eyebrow, but it really just kind of lifts my eyes up a bit. Now I'm taking my CoverGirl Clump Crusher and I'm applying this to my eyelashes as you would with mascara. I'd probably say that this is my second favorite mascara. My other one ran out, but this one really separates my eyelashes and keeps them really long. And also, most of you guys know that this is my favorite concealer. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. It works wonders. It really brightens up my under eye area, especially when I'm not getting much sleep. I believe I'm in the shade Macadamia, if any of you guys are wondering. But yeah, I'm just applying this to my under eyes. I'm also applying a little bit on my Cupid's bow and also above my eyebrows just to kind of add some definition since I won't be filling in my eyebrows today. Then I'm just going to be blending that with my finger. And after finishing my concealer, I like to apply my lower lash mascara just because I hate doing it before I put concealer on because it kind of gets messed up usually. And now I'm taking my favorite Kat Von D bronzer and I'm really kind of contouring a bit just to kind of bring some life back to my face because I do look pretty pale at this time of year. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm taking the shade Summer and applying this to my cheekbones. This looks so beautiful and I think it really complements the eyeshadows. I also like to apply a little bit to my chin and the bridge of my nose and also on my forehead on the outer two parts of it, as you can see. Just gives me a nice dewy finish. And that's the finished makeup. Super neutral and glowy. I really like how it turned out. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my hair. So I'm taking my Remington curling wand and this is the 1.5 inch barrel. This is my favorite wand ever. It makes my hair look so shiny and it's just because it has a ceramic finish. But I'm just going to be taking 1-inch sections of my hair and kind of just doing it pretty randomly because I like the messy beachy look. And I'm just going to be holding that for about 7 to 10 seconds. I'm not actually sure, but just don't burn off your hair. That's the main goal here. And yes, my bra is kind of peeking out right there. Let's just pretend that's not showing because I didn't even notice when I was filming, but my shirt was kind of falling down, so yeah. Even though it's a halter, like it shouldn't. Okay, anyway, this is the finished hair. It's super relaxed, super pretty. I feel like everyone can pull this off. I don't know why, but whenever I wear a halter top, I like to usually show my halter, so I typically will put my hair up in some kind of updo like so. I'll just throw it up in a ponytail, or I'll do a half up, half down type of thing. I actually really like wearing my hair up in ponytails now. I used to hide behind my hair like Violet in The Incredibles a long time ago, but now I really like showing my face and kind of keeping all my hair out of the way for class. And now here's my outfit. This is super cute. I actually took these pants from my friend Tuya because I wanted to wear them for this video because I thought they were adorable and I literally have no clothes, but yeah, they're Brandy Melville and then my halter top is also Brandy Melville. See, I'm trying to work on my limbo skills. That's what I was doing. But yeah. And I'm sure you guys can guess what shoes I'm wearing. That's right, yes, I'm wearing my white old school Vans. These are my favorite things. They're getting a bit grimy now, they get dirty fast, but yeah, these are my favorite things. Sneakers are just my favorite thing to wear because they're so comfortable. And then here, I'm just walking out with the backpack. So that is the whole video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is Keana Skurla, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.